Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechRev, and I'm back with another video. And today I'll be talking about the always on display feature of Mi Band 7, and I'll be guiding you how much the battery lasts when you have this feature turned on. So let me show you how the always on display looks like. For that we will have to leave the screen for a few seconds, and well, the battery life does get worse when you use it, but of course it is a good feature to have. So let's have the always on display. Well, this is how it looks like. Bigger numbers, and it depends on the watch face you're using. If you're using analog one, then of course uh, the always on display will be of analog, and let me show you that too. So if you use this default watch face, which is analog, so now the always on display will also be analog. As you can see, it looks very neat and tidy. And of course, if you want to turn on this feature of always on display, then you will have to go in the settings. From there you need to go to the display and brightness, and from here you can well, turn on and off, or even schedule it, the always on display. So this is what it is about. Well, now let's change the watch face and see how the always on display looks like. So if we select this one, it has green digits. So if you wait for a few seconds, you will see that the always on display will have green digits. It looks very neat and very tidy. So the idea is to have less pixels turned on, so that the battery is also conserved. If you use this watch face, then you will get such sort of always on display. So I was wondering how much battery this band would give. For that, let me take you to the Zep app, from where you can see how much battery is left. So this is Zep app, and this my Mi Band 7 is connected, and the battery left is 14%. And as you can see that it was last charged 6 days ago. So well, this band would last for like a week if you use it continuously with always on display turned on. And I think that a week of time is pretty much decent. And well, this is a good feature to have. And well guys, that's it. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll be back with more information about the band.